Animal diversity to notochordata. Chordata. So notochord means chordata. So the chordates. So what is the chordate? What is the vertebrate? Let's don't get confused. I will give the clarity about what is the chordate, what is the vertebrates. So the chordates, which are consistents of the notochord, which organisms are consistents of the notochord, those individuals are chordates. Okay. So which are consistent of the vertebral column, those individuals are called as vertebrates. Which organisms are consistent of notochord, chordates, which are consistent of the complete vertebral column is called as vertebrates. So the all chordates, all vertebrates are chordates. Very, very important. All vertebrates, these are all vertebrates are chordates, but every chordate is not a vertebrate. All chordates are vertebrates, but every chordate is not a vertebrate. Don't get confused. First one, what is the chordate? Chordata. Which are consistent of notochord? Which organisms are consistent of the notochord? Nothing but spinal cord. Which are organisms are consistent of the notochord or vertebral column? Note down everyone. Which organisms are presence of vertebral column or notochord. Chords, notochords, those are called as chordates. So now we are discussing about what is the characters between the chordates and non-chordates. The non-chordates are completely lacking of the notochord. What is that? Non-chordates are lacking of the notochords or non-chordates, which are presence of the notochord is called as chordates. So now the characters of the chordates. The characters. Very, very important. General characters of chordates. General characters of the chordata. Yes. So the chordates are a special organisms. So these are completely multicellular in nature. These are known as a special organisms are called as a chordate. First one is the special character is notochord. Special character is notochord. Very important. Note down everyone. Notochord. The notochord is located in the dorsal region of the body. Notochord is located. Where it is located? Dorsal region. First character of the chordates is notochord is located in the dorsal region of the body. I will draw one of the diagram that is represents of the chordates. Okay, I will draw the diagram. So you can use easy to understand the characters of the chordates. This diagram very helpful to understand the chordates characters. Yes. The dorsal region. This one is dorsal region. Yes. I will give labeling and later on. Let's first one notochord. The notochord is located in the dorsal region. Yes, the notochord is located in the dorsal region below of the tubular nerve cord. Below of the nerve cord. Yes. First one, this is the dorsal region. This is called as the dorsal region of the body. This is the ventral region. The dorsal region containing what is a notochord? This one is notochord. The dorsal region, the notochord is located in the dorsal region. Yes, this is located in the dorsal region. Clear? Yes, it is located below of the nerve cord. Yes, this one is nerve cord. This one is Narukard. The notochord is where located? Where it is located? The notochord is located in the below of the narukard. Are you clear? So next one, second one is narukard. Narukard. What is the narukard? The narukard is one of the tubular-like portion. Tubular-like portion. Please everyone note down. The narucards are tubular. Tubular-like portion. Tubular-like portion. It is a halo. Nothing but halo. Halo in nature. Halo. So it is located in the above of the notochord. Located on above of the notochord. Are you clear? And above of the notochord. Next one, post-anal tail. The characters of the chordata. The post-anal tail. Post means posterior. Anal, anus. Tail. Where is the post-anal tail? This is known as an anal opening. The post-anal tail. Yes. Third one is post-anal tail. The post-anal tail. In this chordates consists of a posterior region of the opening. One of the opening is there. The opening is called as an anal. The anal along with one of the extension that is called as a tail. So most of the larvae are shown post-anal tail. After the completion of their larva nature, this will be converts. There are lacking of the tail. So this post-anal tail is present. You can write only this much only, present in posterior region. After converts into adults, the tail will become reduced. The tail will become absent. Okay, next one. So this is a character. Third character of the chordata, general characters of the next one. The fourth character is pharyngeal gill slits. What is that? Pharyngeal gill slit. What is the pharyngeal? Pharynx gills. These organisms are consistent of a paired gills are there either side of the pharynx. So this is the mouth. This is mouth opening into buccal cavity to pharynx. The pharynx consistent of, what is the pharynx consistent of? What is that? Pharyngeal gills. Pharyngeal gills are there. These pharyngeal gills are essential for respiration process. Are you clear? Where it is located? The third character is known as a pharyngeal. Fourth character is a pharyngeal gills. Pharyngeal gill slits. The pharyngeal gill slits, they paired a group of the pharyngeal gill slits are there. These are located in the either side of the pharynx for the respiration process. Are you clear? Yes. Fifth one, pharyngeal gills are completed. Next, fifth one is heart. Yes. In just recapitulate once again. Just recapitulate. In Annelida and Arthropoda individual, the heart is located in the dorsal region of the body. But in chordate, the heart is located in the ventral side of the body. You can write only one word. The heart is located in the ventral side of the body. That much only. That character is enough. Heart is located in ventral side. Not thoracic, not abdominal. That is nothing. They are located in the ventral region. There is not a specific area. From these depends upon based on their individuals. Heart is complete. Next one. Sixth one is vascular system. This is known as the open type of vascular system. Open types of vascular system. Vascular means blood. System, open type of circulatory system. Vascular nothing but blood. Everyone note down, vascular nothing but blood. Avascular nothing but there is no absence of the blood. Because no blood. Avascular means open type of blood. So this heart is transporting of the blood into all over the body parts through the coelomic cavity. Coelomic cavity. Some of the individuals are shown coelomic cavity, that is called open type of circulation. The most of the organisms are shown closed type of circulation. It is also one of the characteristic feature. Closed type of circulation. In human beings, closed type of circulation. Closed type of circulation. Yes. And another special character is the blood containing blood pigment, that is called as a hemoglobin. Yes, one of the character of chordata. It is represents of, this diagram represents of chordata. These are consistent of blood pigment is known as a hemoglobin. It is look like a red in color. Are you clear? Hemoglobin is present. Next one, the direction of the blood flow. Are you clear? So in invertebrates, just to recapitulate the invertebrate, the blood transforms from the posterior to anterior. But in this chordates, the blood direction of the flow is anterior to posterior. Direction of the blood flow. 7th one, 9th one is direction of the blood flow. Direction of blood flow from the anterior to posterior. Direction of the blood flow from anterior to posterior. So these are shown from the anterior, nothing but the ventral region containing heart to anterior to posterior. Circulation is anterior to posterior. Next one. Yes, the 10th one is, these are a development of the hepatic portal system. What is that hepatic portal system? Hepatic nothing but liver is developed. Yes, the liver system is developed. Portal system nothing but the blood is carries from the stomach to hepatic region. The blood is transformed from the stomach to hepatic region, nothing but liver region. So that type of system is very well developed in chordata. What is that? After the digestion, the food is directly dissolved into the bloodstream. We know that. That is called as a diffusion. So the blood is the food is directly diffused into the bloodstream. So the blood is directly enters into the liver. So the blood carries the food into the liver region. So the type of system is called as a hepatic portal system. The hepatic portal system is very well developed. Next one, coelom. The coelom is a true coelom and enterocoelomates are there. These are true and enterocoelomates. True and enterocoelomates are there. So these are shown. Last point is of the character stadially symmetrical. So this is the characteristic features of the chordata. So these all characters are there in chordata individuals. First one is the general characters of the chordata is, first one, notochord is present. It is located in the below of the what is that, tubular nerve cord. What is that? Next one, nerve cord, posternal tail, pharyngeal gill slits, heart, open type of vascular system, closed type of vascular system, and blood pigment, direction of the blood flow, hepatic system, coelom, and bilaterally, biradially symmetrical.